welcome back to a new video. It is time to continue our summer decorating. Now, I did mention this before. Everything seems to end up here in my kitchen, and as you can see, it is a total mess, you guys. Like a tornado went through it. But anyway, we're gonna clean this up really quick. I don't think I'm gonna do everything on camera, but we're gonna clean it up and then we're gonna start decorating for summer. So let's get to it. So you guys, at the beginning of spring I was so excited because it kind of started off really well. We had a lot of sunshine, but that only lasted for a short while, and it is only a few weeks away before summer starts. And well, we just haven't had the best spring season. It was really rainy and really cloudy, so I sure do hope that we're gonna have a better summer because I'm so excited. You're gonna have to wait just a little while longer. I think my video of my backyard refresh is gonna come out on Friday, July 1st. If I'm correct, so but I will announce that in time. But anyway, I really want to enjoy my backyard, but unfortunately the weather is not allowing that right now. But anyway, in the meantime, I am doing a summer refresh on my inside, and I've been loving all the goals that I'm adding, you guys. So I have a few more videos on summer decorating coming up, and I would really love it if you would come back and watch those too.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets right.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you.
I'm starting here at my coffee station and I'm keeping things exactly the same. I'm just switching out the little gold vase that I had here for this gold candle holder with some greenery. And I really like how this is. It is quite functional for me, and that's it. And the vase, I moved it over here just to give here this pop of gold as well. And this tray, I love this tray. I've had it for a few years and it was a thrift find. I got it for only 25 cents, and what I love about it are the feet elevating the tray. Now I did a very simple upgrade because I wanted to add more gold also into my kitchen. I spray painted them gold, giving it that elegant look. This little tea light holder, I've had it for a while. I actually have two of them and I've never, well, not never, but I haven't used them a lot. And I think that they are the perfect size for this space and to hold my votive candles, because I love having these here in my kitchen to light them when I'm cooking. So I'm not going to light this one right now because, like I said, I only light these when I cook. This marble tray, I did a haul on it not too long ago, and I'm going to do a little upgrade because that's what I had in mind when I picked it up. I had these wooden beads, I spray painted them gold, and the two handles were actually white, and I got these free from the thrift store, and these are now for the time being because they're plastic and I really want some metal ones, some gold metal ones, maybe brass or something like that, but for now this will do. And they were white, I spray painted them gold as well, and I'm going to be using them as handles for the tray. Now this is only for decorative purposes, that's why I'm using hot glue gun, so I'm not going to be lifting it up from the handles. You're gonna notice that I dismissed all the pink in my house for the summer. I loved it, but I do not want to have pink during the summer. So for my floral arrangement here in the kitchen, I'm gonna keep it quite simple. I'm gonna be using the same greeneries that I already had, but I just removed the pink, and I did remove a few greenery because it was too much. I wanted a simple and not too big of an arrangement here. Recently I bumped into these wooden utensils and I really love the pink handles, and I thought they were reasonably priced. They were 4 in a pack for only €2.79, and for that price I thought, why not change out the old ones that I had. So I just did that. I bought 2 packs and I'm going to replace the old ones that I had. Here's the candle holder that I recently picked up that I'm using as a spoon rest. So talk about repurposing. Now you guys already know my black box with wax melt. I love that. Now I want to share with you my Yankee Candle wax starts, I think they are calling them. But these are all my summer fragrance, and you guys, I got such a great steal on these because most of them I got for free as a bonus. You remember the last video that I shared with you when I got those oil fragrance. Now at that same store online, I used to order candles and they gave me these Yankee Candles wax starts for free. So I got a bunch from them, but I also got a great steal on them. A while back in a store I got them for only €1 a piece. So I picked up mostly those were fall scents. So these are the ones that I got for free. Now I'm going to be, let me show you them. There's a bunch in here, you guys. Now I did want to show you up close a few that I have, like this clean cotton. I got the lemon, lavender, the star anise and orange. This is, I think, more of a fall scent. I got the orange splash, and this is the red berry. And I have here the angel wings. This smells, oh so sorry you guys, this one smells oh so good. I had it in a large jar. And this cherry blossom here and something with lime there, I'm not sure what it is. And the Kilimanjaro stars. And I do have a few on the inside, and this is the vanilla cupcake and the mango peach salsa. So like I said, yeah, these are mostly summer fragrances or summer scents. So I'm going to be picking one out, and just leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think I'm going to be picking, and I will share that at the end of this video. I have had this scale as a decor piece in my kitchen for a long time now already, and I'm really loving it. Now notice that I removed the lemons from this wired basket because I'm going to be using them as a decor piece. I love this tray that I've had for many years, and for my floral arrangements I did the same as the one on my countertop. I removed all the pinks and I kept it quite simple, neutral, whites and only greeneries. And here you see the lemons. Now this village candle, it is perfect for this time of year. It is very simple, light and very refreshing, and I am sad to see it go. As you can see, it is almost gone. So you guys, that's going to be it for this video, and this turned out to be a nighttime clean and decorate with me, because let me show you what time it is already, as you can see. So yeah, it has turned a little late, but that's okay. I have the day off tomorrow. So now, did you guess which wax melt I was going to burn? It turned out to be this one, the mango peach salsa, and the reason for this is because I had 2 of them. But anyway, you guys, I am beat, so I am going to station my behind on the sofa for the rest of the evening, and I'm going to enjoy a glass of wine. Now, I picked up this bottle the other day. It is this Yugo pineapple and coconut summer edition, and it tastes so good. I already opened it up, so I'm going to pour me another glass, and then I'm going to watch my series. So yeah, that's going to be it, and I will leave you of course with a little tour of how everything turned out. Now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I do hope that you could pull some inspiration to decorate your kitchen for the summer season. Now, leave me a comment below. You know I always like to connect with you guys, so let me know down below what you think. So for now, thank you again for watching, and I see you in my next one. Bye!